A barfi base is made with milk, sugar, milk powder, khoya, and cocoa powder and set. It's then drizzled with melted chocolate and studded with Easter chocolate and candies. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures and happy Easter. Today we're going to be making an Easter chocolate barfi. Yes, you heard me right. We're going to be making a delicious barfi and adding some Easter chocolate to the top, and it's going to be an absolute showstopper. Before I go any further with this recipe, do be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. In a flat non-stick pan, I'm going to be melting half a cup of ghee or butter. Once this melts down, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of milk powder. I'm going to mix this in. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of khoya that I grated. Khoya is basically a block of milk solids. It looks similar to cheese and it's used in many different Indian sweets. I prefer to grate it. It is much easier to melt in. If you can't find this at most Indian stores, you can just add 5 cups of milk powder instead. I'm now going to add half a teaspoon of ice cream essence. You can add vanilla or any other essence of your choice. Now keep mixing. You can see why the spatula is very handy to mix, fold and scrape all at the same time. I have some gorgeous double Dutch chocolate here and I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons. This is a blend of Dutch processed cocoa and black cocoa for color. A Dutch process gives you a more mellow flavor and a deeper color. You can certainly use regular cocoa if you want, and if you prefer the barfi to just be regular flavor, you can omit the cocoa completely. You must keep stirring to avoid any burnt spots. This entire process should take about 15 to 17 minutes, and once it starts to come together, it's time to scrape this into my lined square tin. This tin is 7 by 7 inches. Using the spatula, I'm going to press down and make sure that this is equally distributed, and I'm going to flatten and smooth down the surface. I have 100 grams of melted dark chocolate here. You can use milk chocolate or white chocolate if you prefer, and I'm just going to pour this over and spread. I've selected a bunch of Easter chocolate and candy, and I'm just going to add these over the chocolate so they are fixed when the chocolate sets. The bunnies are super cute, and now I'm going to add in some Lindt white chocolate eggs as well as some Oreo eggs that I cut in half to show off the centers. For some Easter color, I'm going to be adding some eggies and some M&Ms. And I will fill in with some Easter sprinkles. Allow the chocolate and the barfi to completely set before removing and cutting. Enjoy and happy Easter! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Easter chocolate barfi. Barfi in itself is absolutely divine, but we've added melted chocolate and Easter chocolate on top of it to make it even better. If you love this recipe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. as well as you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my recipes, share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy them as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating.